Hello and what's up? Nagbabalik si Koya sa ating vlog. And it's ilang araw na lang pala, Pasko na. So ngayon, may nagbigay sa akin ng isang mahamahalin at magandang pabango. I would like to thank my girlfriend for this one. It's an effort. Yeah. So ngayon, samahan niyo akong mag-unboxing dito sa binigay niya sa aking pabango. Ito na. Wait lang, steady lang kayo dyan, no?
2 hours later.
So we're back. Ito. Na-unbox ko na. Hindi ko pala. Tanggal ko na siya sa pagkakasil niya na malupit. And we were going to unbox this one. Versace Dylan Blue. So from the company itself, Versace. So mayaman. Ayun, so nirelease siya noong July 2016. It was 2 years ago. Let's unbox it. Meron siyang 30, 20, 100 saka 200 ml na variant, and then mabibili niyo siya around 3,300. Yun yung nakita kong price niya sa online store. And then mamaya I'll ask kung magkano, and then lalabas ko na lang dyan sa screen kung magkano yung natanong ko sa ibang mga shop, physical shop yun. So let's unbox it. Ngayon, bukod sa unboxing, we're going to have a review din with regards to the performance of this perfume, no? Which includes the scent, the price, and the price ratio, and then the longevity, kung gaano siya katagal na pwedeng gamitin. So this won't be a one whole shooting video because we will test the longevity of this item, and then the versatility of this perfume. To be honest, na-smell ko siya once nung before, kaya siya niregalo sa akin because I keep on saying that I like this perfume. It's my preference, and then I will tell you kung ano yung realizations ko, reactions, and then reviews based on my own opinion on this perfume. So this is not sponsored by Versace, as ganun din yung mga susunod na reviews, hindi siya sponsored. So this is just my opinion and vlog about perfumes. So let's open it. As usual, box. Box. Ooh. It has a gold cap on it. And then another box, and then wow, blue. I think this is blue. It's blue based on we have a different lighting kasi here, so meron siyang logo ng Versace, and then cap niya is gold here. Oops. Doon pa lang you can smell it na, no? Yung amoy ng perfume. So we will spray it. So upon spraying this, ang una nating maamoy is yung top note, no, nung pabango. I will discuss it in different video, the triangle or the pyramid of perfume. So we will try to put some. Yan, so wow. For a while, it is for me, it is very masculine, perfectly for, some nights that you wanted to impress someone, you wanted to smell like, masculine. This seems to be perfect. When you spray it, you can smell right away the leafy, citrusy slight, but hindi siya umaalis dun sa category na masculine yung perfume. You can smell the freshness, pero hindi watered down yung pagkakaamoy yung amoy nung pabango. So parang yung perfect balance of between being watery and fresh. This one's somehow perfectly mixed with that aspect. So yung naaamoy mo, unang maaamoy mo is yung medyo grapefruit and then bergamot na yun yung unang maaamoy mo when you spray it. Kasi 'di ba, yun yung top note eh. So a little bit later on, we expect that patchouli is everywhere, you know, on the middle note. Yeah, lalabas at lalabas. Kasi I think so one of the compounds of the perfume, patchouli everywhere. But you can smell right away after the top note subside. You can smell the black peppery smell of the perfume na parang, yeah, because it's masculine, diba? So you can smell the black peppery, not so intense but not so mild smell of the perfume. It's really good. I mean, for me, it is good. I mean, no bias, but I won't buy it or I won't be eyeing this perfume for nothing. I mean, you know, so okay naman siya. Okay talaga siya. Longevity, we won't be able to say it right away, but we will go out later for dinner because tomorrow will be our day, and then I'll tell you kung after some hours, kung ilang oras, I'll keep on tracking it kung gaano siya katagal na mag-aamoy, and then I'll tell what is the base note after some time, kung ano yung naaamoy, yun yung tumatagal na amoy after some time. I would use this on a date, like dinner date. Pero hindi siya pwedeng sobrang casual mo siyang i-wear na you're just going somewhere and then you use this perfume. It's somehow kailangan ipapartner mo siya dun sa kung ano man yung kailangan mong gawin at gagawin mo ng day na yun. So parang okay siya kung you want to impress a girl. It's good. But if you were going to grocery, it would be that fit na magagamit mo to. So yun. But if you're going to to the club, yeah, pwede. Some people suggest, some perfume hobbyists suggest that Eros would be better than Dylan Blue when it comes to clubbing or partying. But for me, it'll be fine. I mean, well, on my own preference, because Versace Dylan Blue is somehow more serious in a sense na Eros is somehow more playful. You know, the perfume has its own thing na ito yung representation. So Dylan Blue is a little bit more serious and intense than Eros being more playful. So that's my intake with this perfume. It's really good, and I'll update you later about what I said before, like how the longevity is, and then how it would smell after hours. So we'll be right back, and wait lang kayo. Ayan. We're preparing for the dinner later, and as promised, we'll try to test this longevity of this perfume. I'll spray a decent amount in my body. I won't. Di ko papaligo to. Smells good. And it's around 6. Usually perfume lasts around 4 hours depending on what you're going to do. Siguro kung magtatatakbo ka sa EDSA kahit na audit wallet yung gamit mo na pabango, eh, 4 hours, 5 hours, depending on what you're going to do. So, okay naman siya. Okay naman siya. So, we'll be right back and wait lang kayo. lilipas agad yan, di ba? Yun, so, yan, baka maubos yung pabango. I'll update you later.
2 hours later.
Update ko lang kayo after 2 hours, no? Hindi pa nag-wear. Yeah, nag-wear off na yung top note sa yung middle note ng perfume. So, we're down to the base note. So, yun, one of the most distinguishable scent of the perfume is the musk. Ayan, so, amoy na amoy yung musk dun sa skin. And yung scent ng black pepper na iiwan pa din. And still good. Mga pa din. Pero, nag-wear off na yung mga top sa yung onting middle note. We're down to the base note na ng perfume. So, I'll update you later pag uwi kung ano yung mangyari. And I'm back. It's already 11 o'clock. So, may traces pa naman siya. But, spray natin siya around 6 o'clock. I sprayed. Sige, we'll count it and then we'll flash it there. Yeah, balik that. Spray at the back. And then 2 more. Yeah, that would be all. Here in Eastwood, lakad, dinner, ganyan. It's good. I mean, its performance is good. Pero, pagdating sa longevity, hindi siya lasting katulad ng ibang mga perfume na nagagamit natin. So, siguro, it will be fine. I mean, 4 to 5 hours, it's still fine. I mean, walking around and then still traces of the base notes like musk and incense, it's not bad at all. Though there are still some perfumes that performs better when it comes to longevity than Dylan Blue, but Dylan Blue isn't that bad when it comes to performance. So I think a solid 4 hours with what we've applied to my skin. Well, it is a disclaimer, it is on my skin. Syempre, iba-iba tayong skin and it will react differently on different skin, right? So, for me, after 4-5 hours, there's still some traces, but not as hindi ganun ka-strong. Hindi na ganun ka-strong yung traces na. But it is fine. It still smells good. Still smells nice. If you want, after 4 or 5 hours and then you're still outside doing something, still running some errands, hindi pa kayo tapos ng ka-date mo, you can still apply some para ma-refresh yung amoy niya and then you still smell good. You know, final verdict, it is great for your great but not that great for me. For the versatility, it's not that versatile, but you could use it on a Saturday night, date night. We can also say that with regards to price, it's not bad, but sadly wala akong nakitang Versace Dylan Blue dito sa Eastwood. So sige, check ko sa ibang mall and then I'll update you sa baba kung magkano yung presyo ng Versace Dylan Blue sa ibang mall. And then with it comes to smell, it is manly but not so manly. Hindi naman effortless, pero so alam mo yun, okay siya. Nandun siya sa masculine part ng mga perfume. So I mean, siguro around 6 or 7 out of 10 will be amazing. Yeah. That's it for the video. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.